Right, our sad old Disco 3, well, he's quite happy, really, but he's not doing very well. He has to have his bonnet held up with a cardboard box, which is not very glamorous, really. So what we've invested in is some new gas struts. Oh, they're nice. Because, yeah, do you want a demo, Gary? If you take that box out, we can see that the hood's lost its mojo, hasn't it? It's not doing anything, is it? It's not, no. I don't think that left one's got anything. So we are going to show you how to change the gas struts. Gary's done this once on the smart car, and I think he's figured out he can do them all. So there's a little circular clip. Now we don't care if we take that all the way out, do we? Because we're throwing that away, but you just need to get it out enough. We're always fighting. You need a sort of flatter screwdriver to get in right behind. There is a little groove in there, isn't there?
That should be enough.
That should be enough just to give it a knot. That's it. And then that top one, you can normally just sort of lever out. If you lift it up, and then it should normally just, that's it, work it out. Now, point to note, Gary, you've got the rod and what are we going to call that? That's the rod and the cavity bit. It was at the top, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. Either you're incredibly strong, Gary, or that has completely lost it, hasn't it? Yep. Right, yeah. Right, get another one. So remember, the body goes at the top. So, and that should just spring on. Now, Gary was just saying to me, what happens if they're not lined up? So right, so you can twist the rod, but don't show them what not to do, Gary. Don't try and unscrew that end bit, because that will make that loose. So always turn it clockwise and spin the whole rod until it's lined up in the right direction. That's it, you got it. And then that should just clip back on. Get it lined up. You might have to push the bonnet up a bit. Hold on, let me give you a hand here. Oh. Right, yeah, so you've got to push the bonnet right up. Yeah. Oh. That's it, and just check gas. Now, actually, look, that's almost there. That's almost there. Hopefully, with the other one, it will give it a proper zoop. Right, let's have a go. Right, everyone's got the idea now. Right, you got the other one. Well done. Wait. I got the bonnet. Yeah, always put a prop under it or get someone to help you. That's it. So just sort of work that one out. Give it a little robble as you do it. Good job. Right, you're going to go for that top end first. Yeah, mind that cable there. That's it. And then spin it clockwise if you need to. Lift the bonnet up if you need to. You good? Right, go on then, let's have a look. Does that zoom up on its own now? Or that's that. That's what we're looking for. That. There we go. Good luck with that. That's how to change. We'll put those for sale on the website. I'll put the link down below in the comments. So there we go. How to change your gas struts on your Discovery 3, Discovery 4. It's all the same. Good luck with that.